Hi, it's time to clean the grill. Let's see, we done had so much fun this week. Now it's time to clean the grill and pack it up. So this is how I clean my Blackstone grill. I'll show you the top of it. It does have a lid on it. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe it's upside down. But this is a non-stick surface. And so this is the way I clean it. Put it up, just store it away. As you can see, it's very dirty. I just finished using it. So now I'm going to clean it. And hopefully you can see some of the sun. Yeah, I guess you can see me. Hi. First thing I'm going to do is light it and get it hot. I got to turn it here. Okay, that was one. Do it again. Come on. There it is. Okay, I'm going to get it hot because I'm going to clean it with just water. And because I'm storing it away for a little while, I'm going to use just a sponge with just a little soap on it. And then I put a little grease on it to keep it nice and not seasoned because it's non-stick, but just keep it healthy and keep it in good condition. Okay, it is now heating up, and I'm sorry about that sun, but hopefully it's not too disturbing. We are camping, and the good thing about camping is that you can relax, you can be yourself. You can dress comfortably in like a t-shirt, and you can just let your hair to some degree go. So that's what I'm doing. I've been enjoying just camping, just relaxing. It's not like staying in a hotel. It's like, you can have fun as far as walking, hiking, fishing, riding bikes. That's one thing I want to start doing is fishing. But right now basically we ride bikes and we camp. We camp in an RV. I'm going to reach back here and kind of show you the RV in the back. Okay, that's our RV. Okay, and we do a lot of cooking outdoors. It's fun. Of course, we do indoor cooking too. But it's also fun to be able to cook outdoors. You can keep the grease out. And of course, the tent that I had up here, I no longer have it up here. Took it down. It was what? A screen what? Shelter tent. I had to take a screen. Tray has pretty much water in it, dirty water. It's warm. Be okay. You'll be okay.
Which one will do it?
Go pull it up. Oh man. Oh gosh, it's too hot for him, and it's perfect for me. So if you don't mind, if you finish wiping. I don't know why it's too hot for you. The temperature is perfect for me. Okay, I'm gonna wash this drip tray while he plays with the grill some more. It looks good. Want me to open it? It's not hot. Ouch! It's hot! It's not hot. Ouch! It's hot! Oh wow, usually I can handle a lot of heat. That was hot. Ouch! Oh, okay. You give it away, huh? Okay. All right. Thank you for joining us with watching us clean the grill. As you can see, it's not difficult. It's not difficult to clean this grill. It's really easy after using it all week for camping, and we just want to make sure it's extra clean for storage because we're going to store it away in our this, let me see what compartment will it go in the very back there. And so we do want to keep everything. Thank you. Bye-bye.